This is ShareStream review. So, as the name sounds, ShareStream is a platform that pays user for streaming and sharing content from this website. That you get paid for sharing and streaming content. In this video, I'm going to talk details on how ShareStream works, how to make money from ShareStream, and how to register on ShareStream, coupon code, and find just insider. So welcome back. In this video, I'm talking about the platform ShareStream. This is the review about ShareStream, how it works, and all you should know. As the name sounds, ShareStream is a platform that pays you for streaming and sharing content via the website, which is ShareStream.ng. Without much words, let's go detail how ShareStream work. There are up to 5 to 10 ways to make money from ShareStream. Okay, 10 ways to make money from ShareStream, and I'm going to break down everything step by step and explain to you. Then if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to register on ShareStream, log into ShareStream, and on my next video, how to withdraw for ShareStream. Keep watching. So first of all, how do one make money from this platform? I guess you already know how this income platform work, or what is this kind of income platform. These are platform that, for those that have not know about income program, maybe this is the first time of you encountering an income program. These are platform that reward you for performing a task on the website or via the website. Now, for the case of ShareStream, you earn or generate income, make money from your daily activity, which I'm going to look in details how you make money on ShareStream. Let's get started, my people. So first on our list is the ShareStream. Okay, as the name sounds, ShareStream.ng, and they have the one of ShareStream as their opportunity of you to earn. Now this is like this is like WhatsApp ShareStream. Let me put it like WhatsApp ShareStream. Now this is like performing a daily task for WhatsApp, like WhatsApp allocated tasks, sharing daily to your WhatsApp status or WhatsApp contact, your WhatsApp social tasks, and you get paid for your stream for every single month you do the stream. That is, let me break it down. Sorry, I'm too fast. Okay, now if you log on to the ShareStream, you have an account with ShareStream and you become a ShareStream member. If you log on to your dashboard, you're going to see where to share activities, tasks, daily tasks to your WhatsApp status, like images. What are these things you share? If content you share is video, images, and text. Yeah, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to log into my ShareStream account and show you that for sure. So the next on our list here is daily login. What does by the name daily login, you already know what it means. Okay, by you logging into ShareStream daily, you also earn some token and you also get paid for that. We have on our list again market space. You already know what is a market, buy and sell. So a market space for ShareStream case is the e-commerce online store section of it that you see products, you can buy product from ShareStream, you can sell product on ShareStream, and also do an affiliate, like share the product on ShareStream and earn commission when someone buy from ShareStream. So next one is stream adverts. This is you become as a member. You can also post your advert on ShareStream or stream other members' adverts. You also earn from that. Now we have the next popular one called Facebook Stream. We all know that Facebook now have the video and the stream ads on video and but how do you get paid for that? No. So ShareStream said that come and get paid for streaming videos content on Facebook. Now I'm going to explain details how the amount of each of these activities you're going to earn. Just stick around, just like run through what you're going to be doing on this platform. Now I explain on the packages you are going to join and what it entails. You will see how much you earn for each of these, because they're very ShareStream have 2 packages which you can join in. So I'm going to explain that, talk about that, and give the various prices they earn from both of the platform. So after we send a Facebook stream, the next one on our list is referral or affiliate in it. Now this is like your direct affiliate with the people you share your ShareStream link to, and they join sign up for ShareStream, you earn commission for them. That's not all. That's not all. Now if your referrer refer people, which is the next one, which is called indirect referral, you earn commission. You earn commission from that. Yes, you earn commission from that. You earn commission from indirect referrals on ShareStream. So I'm going to say the amount and thereby to earn. So they have and ShareStream is also a super fast paying platform. That is, you get paid of what you earn. Now they have another amazing feature on ShareStream that you can buy data, airtime, and load. Like you can sell data and airtime and load on this platform. Wow, 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 wow. So the last on our list before we start going to the packages of ShareStream is referral contest, raffle draw, competition, and bomber promo. Yeah, what this means is like on a weekly or monthly basis, ShareStream is going to offer a contest or launch a contest that people, the winners, go home with like MacBook, HP, iPhone, Samsung, soundbar, air conditioning, electrical iron, TV sets, and lot of cash prizes and laptops. Okay, so now on our list of what we have here is let's go to how to register on ShareStream. I know that this is the part you have been waiting for. How to register on ShareStream. ShareStream have two packages. ShareStream has two packages to register on ShareStream. ShareStream has two packages. Now we have the one of the 4,000. Okay, this is the registration page of ShareStream. And when you click on select plan, you're going to be seeing Streamlight and Stream Pro. Let me explain that. Now, the Streamlight is like the basic or lower level package on ShareStream. Then the Stream Pro is like the higher level of ShareStream. Now, Streamlight goes for 4,000 naira. That is, Streamlight registration fee is 4,000 naira. Then the Stream Pro registration fee is 15,000 naira. Now there are going to be a lot of difference of this thing because the price already from what you know now is quite different. But this is how you register. When you go to the click on the link and go to the description on the video, I'm going to say link or website I shared. From there you can get to contact, and you can also go to ShareStream website, and this is how you do. When you go to the registration page, you click on the registration page and land on this page to register. You're going to see where you put in your username, first name, full name, email address, phone number, select the package, select the payment method, password, mention, agree with the terms and conditions, and register. Now, let me just dive a bit on the payment gateway or payment method for ShareStream. We have activation code and online payment. Now, activation code is when you buy coupon code. You already know if you are into all these online platforms, you understand what I'm trying to say. Then, online payment is when you pay with Paystack, Flutterwave, or those online payment you use Airtel and pay directly without any activation code. Now, a lot of platforms only make it that whether you can get into their platform is using coupon code. But ShareStream said they want to change the business and make you even pay without getting coupon code. That is making an online payment for it. You can see how amazing this platform is. So now let's compare between the ShareStream the Stream Lite package and the Stream Pro package. Both are on ShareStream, but they have offer a whoopee different on it. Now, I guess I am the Stream Lite, which I want to log into the account now so that you can see it. I want to log into my account now. But before I log in, let me just explain this in case this video cuts by now. I got my recording software, my recording app for this screen recording. Normally, it's giving me the install and downloaded several ones, but I just pray that this one go well while I finish this record. So the ShareStream or the Stream Lite goes for 4,000 naira. Daily login, as we said, as the way to make money from this platform is 15 naira. That is every day you get paid 15 naira. While for the Stream Pro, when you log in every day, you get 100 naira. Now, welcome bonus after you have paid and register on Streamlight, you get 500 naira. The welcome bonus on Stream Pro is 2,000 naira. Now, ShareStream tax is 2,400 on the Streamlight, while on the Stream Pro, ShareStream tax is 1,000 naira. Streamlight package for Facebook streaming is 100 naira, while for the Stream Pro is 150. They have other activities, which is like the affiliate activities that you earn 3% indirect earnings, which is 120 naira for the Streamlight, then 50% referral earnings, which is 2,000 naira, and raffle draw compensation plan, and the compensation of 30,000 naira monthly. That is just being a member, they're going to compensate you of 30,000 naira monthly. Then this is for the Streamlight. Then for the Stream Pro, you earn 3% indirect direct earnings, which is 450. Remember, Streamlight is 120. Then the referral earnings percentage is 47, and that is around 7,050 naira, and raffle draw compensation plan of 100,000 monthly as you are a member. Then for the over accumulative earnings on how much you should have before you request for cash out or withdraw. For the Streamlight is 12,000 naira, while for the Stream Pro it's over 40,000. Okay, well, I don't know if I got that. Like the accumulative earnings that you earn as a member on this platform on Streamlight is 12,000 naira. That is just for what you accumulate over time on monthly basis is 12,000 naira. While for the Stream Pro is 40,000 naira. And cash out is automatic. As you register on ShareStream and provide your account details, when you are accumulated up to that withdrawal threshold or withdrawal amount, minimum withdrawal, you must get paid on the 30th of every month, both on Streamlight and Stream Pro. Then cash out days are Wednesday and Sunday by 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Stay tuned. So I guess you have understood what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm too fast or I'm too slow, but if you have not subscribed to the channel. This is not the only review I'm going to do. I'm going to do another review on how to withdraw from ShareStream. And also, do not forget to check my video description. Tap on that place, you see title, you see more. You see the link I dropped to the main content, because whatever video I do on Dosuggest, I normally have a blog post that is a written content or like a script of the video, so that you're going to get more details, because probably the way I speak you don't get me, maybe I'm too fast or maybe I'm too slow to your listening. So when you go and read that yourself, you get your own understanding. Okay, stay tuned, become an insider, win free airtime and data. When you become an insider, just click to become an insider. Check the video description, you're going to see the link to do that. So ShareStream has two packages, which I've explained, the Streamlight and Stream Pro, with a different registration fee and coupon code and activity tax and minimum withdrawal. So let's just dig about this platform also. As I explained before, ShareStream is all about what you stream and your packages. So I guess I've been able to make you understand of how much you're going to get from this platform. So if you want to learn more about this, please click on the description below. I'm going to leave a link to read more and know more about this platform, how to join the platform, how to get your referral coupon, how to get your coupon code for this platform. Keep watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. I beg, more una subscribe. Make I speak am for pidgin. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification. Leave a comment. I'm going to be bringing a lot of information, like reviews about this income program to learn, this one and more, and also about other our day-to-day usage like finance app, loan apps. I know something like that loan app. Hey, just like be part of this, become an insider. Now we are doing this. Become an insider and earn airtime and data for participating or commenting on our comment section and watching our videos. Till I come your way again, peace out.